So here we have the Tesla Model 3 long range all-wheel drive. This vehicle features the 19-inch upgraded alloys along with the premium white interior. As you can see, the vehicle is in outstanding condition. We have also serviced the vehicle, so it's had its cabin filters replaced with active carbon cabin filters. Full inspection of the vehicle. We replace all the wiper blades on these. The vehicle has a grade A battery health report. Absolutely beautiful with a white interior. All the vehicle settings, got all your autopilot, dynamics, software. Car's done 36,006 miles. Everything's in there. Then you've got all your entertainment in here, audio, arcade, web browser, all your heated seats, etc. If I just start the vehicle, I'm going to show you the cameras. So your reverse cam, so you also get it on the sides, and then when you're indicating, you get your camera there as well. So everything works through the screen. You've got your wireless charging there and there, plenty of storage. Fully electric seats with memory. Then into the rear, again looking absolutely lovely. Electric tailgate, this being the facelift, you get the electric tailgate, heat pump, the black pack on the outside, the laminated front side windows. Vehicle is on the latest software. We do all the software updates whilst they're with us. So there we have it, the Tesla Model 3 long range all-wheel drive with the upgraded 19-inch alloys and the premium white interior.